Hi. Not everyone likes change, and this is reflected in the issue of the new context menu in Windows 11. Fortunately, you can easily restore the old look of this system element. I will show you how to do it in a quick and easy way. First press Windows + R shortcut. This will bring up a new window. Type in it, CMD. After another window appears. In this window we paste in sequence and execute by pressing Enter after each one these three commands. And we enjoy the new old menu. Commands in the description.